If you're frustrated that you bought the Vortex HD67 because it's dual SIM, and you find out that this is one of the first Vortex phones where you can't take the back off to insert your SIM chips, you have to use a SIM tool to take out the SIM tray, and then when you open that SIM tray, you find out that there's space for your SIM card, like this, and your SD card like this, and you get your phone to work and everything's going right, but now it's time to travel and you need your other. Where do you put? There is no secondary SIM tray. The back doesn't come off, so where does that second SIM chip go? Well, I'm glad you're watching this video because I'm about to show you. Now, if the SD card is important to you, this is one of the downfalls, because this spot right here is where you put your second SIM chip. Let me pick that up, and the second SIM card goes right here, just like that. And now you have the ability to use your two carriers based on what you need to do to travel and whatnot. All right, if this has helped you with finding where to put your second SIM chip on your Vortex HD67, please like, please subscribe. Thanks for watching. Hey, and if you want to see how to make your phone run faster, watch this video next.